So you want to know how you can fix a Bitwarden Authenticator not generating code? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple basic checks that you can do. So first is going to be checking clock synchronization. TOTP codes are time sensitive, so you should make sure your device's clock is synced with an internet time server. You can often do this by manually heading into your settings tab and then looking for date and time, and then simply opening it and putting it to set automatically. When it comes to confirming your premium subscription, the authenticator feature is not available on the free versions of Bitwarden, so you must have a premium subscription to generate TOTP codes. Also, verify the authenticator key. So, double check that the correct string from the authenticator field in your Bitwarden login item is being used in your authenticator app. If you recently migrated or changed your account, a new might be needed. So I hope this video was helpful to you. In order to go ahead and fix it, all you can do is just log out and back in and also reinstall the Bitwarden application. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like